Morning guys, how you doing? Today is the day that I'm collecting the interior parts of my camper van. Now up until now they've been stored with Graham. A long story, I'll put a link in the description of this to what's happening and everything, but anyway, the camper van is now being finished by a friend of ours who's very kindly offering to kind of put all the kind of outside bits back on. It's been resprayed, an amazing respray job. So it's back there, it's going to be finished quite soon, but the interior isn't. And today we're going to collect the interior. We've got to go in the car to Pershore, to Pete's boss, to Paul, and we're going to collect then a truck, then go and collect the interior. And then we're going to put it in a garage. I'm not quite sure which one yet, but then I'm going to have a look at it and see whether I can do anything with it in regards to perhaps painting it or kind of keeping some of it, maybe, I'm not sure. Otherwise we're going to have to look at a complete new interior. So yeah, should be good. See you there, guys. I must say a massive thanks to my partner, to Pete, and to a friend of ours who has done the most amazing job of putting Charlie back together. There are a few bits and pieces to still do, and the interior needs doing. So guys, if you would like to follow this complete restoration, please do. Drop a like, that would be amazing, but please subscribe, it just means so much, it really does. And also it will mean that you guys get to see how the van finishes up, which would be really cool. And I'm going to be looking at some aspects of how that's going to kind of pan out, what we're going to do, how we're going to get the interior done, yeah, because as you can see from the old interior that I took out, it's not the best. It really does need a new interior. So we're looking at a few people, places that we can take that to now to get that done, and it would be amazing if you can see what it's like when it's completely finished. So yeah, thanks guys.